First of all, I want to say thank you for all of your support. We're at 100K subs. I appreciate the love and the support because I'm new to the YouTube streets, but thank you. So, today we're doing my famous chili beans. Of course, when the temperature drop or when September 21st comes, everybody breaks out the fall recipes. I don't know about you, but the way I grew up, my grandmother, as soon as the temperature dropped, it was always a pot on the stove. It was like a pot of beans or something, stew, something. So I'm gonna do my chili beans. My grandmother used to make these chili beans. Let's get this started. As you can see, these are the ingredients. Don't be intimidated by all this shit because it's really easy. Now, I go kind of easy on the beans. Like, the recipe requires for you to use a whole can of each bean, which we have kidney, pinto, and black beans. I use a half a can of each. It's just a lot of beans. It's not like I'm lactose intolerant or I'm gonna just be farting and shit, but I just, if I had to choose, like when you get chili cheese fries, do you get chili beans or you just get meat chili? So on some fall shit, just because it's fall, the chili beans just fit. Chili without beans is more like, some shit you put on fries. So we're gonna get this started. First, I'm gonna brown my meat. I have 1 pound of Italian sausage. And I also have 1 pound of ground beef. Now, if you don't eat pork, whatever, just use all ground beef. But the Italian sausage, just the basil and the Italian seasonings in that sausage brings so much more flavor to this dish. Break that down. And when it's almost done, that's when we're gonna throw in our bell peppers and our onions. All right, now that our meat is almost brown, it's almost finished, I'm gonna throw in my veggies. That's a half an onion, a whole green bell pepper, and a whole red bell pepper. Get those incorporated. I just love the way bell peppers smell when they hit the fire, bro. This shit is so good. This is gonna be the best chili you ever had. And it's real simple, it's not too many ingredients. The seasonings I'm using, not too many. I've seen chilies where they added about 11 different seasonings and it really doesn't take that much. Sometimes simple is better. Cook those down for 5 minutes, then we're gonna add our seasonings, our tomato paste, and our canned tomatoes. All right, now we're gonna add our tomato paste in. We're gonna cook that for about a minute. Then after that, we're gonna add our canned tomatoes and our seasoning. Now we're gonna add our canned tomatoes. We're gonna add our Worcestershire sauce. This is 1 can of tomatoes, 1 can of diced fire roasted tomatoes. Then we're gonna add 1/3 cup. Of course, I'm gonna eyeball it because I can. That's important. This is gonna add the acid we need in chili. I know some people, oh, what's acid? Any vinegar, anything with acid in it, this is gonna add the acid. A lot of dishes cannot survive without acid. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. Now, a simple chili seasoning pack. Smoked paprika, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, and the most important ingredient in here is cumin. All right, now we're gonna add our beef broth. Now, the amount of beef broth is up to you. I like thick chili. I really don't like watery chili. So I would add 3 cups, maybe 4, which this is 4. If you just get a 32 ounce box of this bone broth, this is 4. And now we're gonna add our beans. Kidney beans, pinto beans, black beans. Stir that up. See guys, real simple, real simple. And now we're gonna let this simmer for an hour, and after that, we're ready to eat. Let's add this nasty ass sour cream. Shit dirty.
You can put cheese, it don't matter to me. It don't matter.
Dollop of the shit.
Delicious. Yeah, you could have made it like the house.
It was up to you, like mac and cheese.
Yeah. Well, no. How you used to make it at the house? Cause what? That was bacon, green onions, and sour cream. Hell yeah.
Niggas love that shit.
Delicious.
Didn't we sell out like the time?
Yeah.
Fire.
So this is some etiquette to this. You gotta get you some cornbread. You do it like this, so get you some cornbread on that spoon. He don't like sour cream, but we do. We do. What Tiffany say? I do.
I do. That was a lot of fucking sour cream. Oh my God. That shit dirty.
Wow.
Don't stir it around in that shit. I want a bite.
Let me get up. Delicious.
We used to sell this out the house. She used to have me put shrimp on the chili.
And bacon. And cheese. And it was delicious.
Let me get a bite.
That was a little.
That's cool. That ain't gonna hurt.
Oh my God. Can't wait for it to get cold.
The sweetness from the cornbread with the chili. This is probably the best sweet and savory dish ever. Oh, God damn.
I would put a little cheese too though.
A little cheddar. American.
No, cheddar.
Listen, this recipe is in the description. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you make this chili, I want you to come back to this video and comment again and tell me how good it is. Because it's fucking amazing.
Delicious.
My nigga, enjoy.